Hey, I'm Tim, a designer at Polaroid here in Amsterdam, and this is a day in my life, and that was really janky, man. Yo, up here. Morning, Figma. Welcome to Amsterdam. This is my home. In the summer, if I'm up early, I like to take a walk. Pop to the shop to get some fresh bread, get some eggs, eat breakfast. There's eggshell everywhere. You didn't see that. Cut that out. Do you have coffee? Give them all.
Oh my god, you can't speak with your mouth full?
Not on camera. So I've had a radio show on a station called NTS for about 14 and a bit years now. Every 4 weeks, do the radio show, so have to sit here sometimes in the morning. If I have a bit of extra time, prep. I just play music that I love, and thankfully there's a few people who seem to enjoy it. I love it. Yeah, I like the feel of records. Some people might call me a bit old school nowadays. This just arrived in the post yesterday. Firstly, the cover, Frank Pellegrino. I think only 100 of these came out. Still using Serato. This drive, 14 and a bit years on NTS. Every song is on here, which is a blessing and a curse. Sometimes you just want to dig back into something from 15 years ago. Always digging for music. The nice thing about my commute is that over in the east side where I live, it's one completely different vibe to other areas of Amsterdam. Then I have to cut through the middle. It's like picturesque Amsterdam, kind of exactly what you'd imagine when you see it on the postcards. And then where the office is, we're on completely the other side. I really, really love my commute to work. I like going to Louvre, mainly because their pastries are crazy good. It's a beautiful building to sit out in the morning on the way to work. If I'm lucky, I also get to hang out with a cat there, who's my favorite. There's no typical day here at Polaroid, but generally in the morning, that's when we might be doing some retrospectives, refinements, talking with the team, talking through some ideas, brainstorming, doing a few more things that are collaborative. One of the nice things about being at Polaroid is there's always interesting projects and things going on. We're here in the Polaroid studio right now with Hattie, senior in-house photographer for Polaroid, and I'm getting my company picture taken, which is going to be fun and not your average camera. What's this?
So today we're going to be shooting Tim's portrait on the 8x10 camera. So this was built in the 70s. 2, 1. Yes. Nice. Done. Amazing. And then comes out here.
Super, super cool to be able to interact with all of the photography equipment and see that up close for the first time. So that was really fun. I thought I knew quite a lot about the company when I joined, but actually the one thing that kind of blew me away was when I went to tour the factory for the first time. There's one factory left in Enschede, and it's where all the film for the whole world is produced. Some of the machines in there are decades old. The people who work there are just incredible. It's just a day's gone by, but this is still the thing that supplies all of the film for the world that everybody shoots. Seeing that in person was absolutely incredible. Being in the office here, I see a lot, and there's a lot of really cool things going on, but being able to see the factory and just remembering that that is also part of this business is incredible.
Where do you think design will be in 5 years?
I think the recovering perfectionist in me will be really happy that I think the details are going to matter even more over the next few years. With the rise of AI, the whole flat design came, it was really functional, it worked really well, but a lot of things were starting to feel very similar, and I'm already starting to see it in some of the app design now, and the web design and just design in general is people thinking outside the box, adding that extra layer of polish. I think there's just going to be a lot more creativity and need to stand out, and I think that is going to be much more fun for us as designers. When I first moved to Amsterdam, this is like 10-minute walk from my house. I saw a little queue outside. Figured it had to be worth trying. Thank you so much. Look. Good. It's always nice just seeing somebody like making the food you're gonna eat. You can see the care and dedication that goes into it. They're a great bunch of people, super tasty ingredients, but also just like so affordable. Crazy good wrap with halloumi, aubergine, hummus. Yeah, I can't get enough of it. It's a great spot. We need a nice scenic view. There's much nicer views that we can be chilling at for dinner time. Let's do it. Good thing about Amsterdam, there's so many good spots you can swim at. Where they publish the water information online. Yeah, some people probably think, oh, why are you swimming there? Like, no, it's super safe. Sometimes even in the winter time, I see like very brave Dutch people come out of their house in like a dressing gown, cold plunge, jump into the water when it's like Arctic cold outside. I'm not on that level yet, but I love a swim in the summer, especially on a hot day like today. It's been super fun having you kicking it with me today, Figma. Thanks for swinging by.